Okay, profit and loss. Now, in primary school, you would have heard the topic profit and loss. I'm just going to review some basic terms. Cost price, which sometimes you are going to see an abbreviation for CP, is the price at which an item is bought. Selling price, abbreviated sometimes as SP, is the price at which an item is sold. Profit or gain is when the selling price is more than the cash price. And loss is when the selling price is less than the cash price. So if I go into a store, I purchase an item, the price at which I purchased it is called my cash price. If I decide to sell the item after a couple days, that price that I sold it for is going to be called the selling price, and it depends on whether I sell the item for more than I bought it for. That is going to determine whether I made a profit or a loss. I have 4 examples here in which I'm going to work out my solutions. Number 1. Now for each question, we must label our solutions properly. So for number 1, I'm going to write what my cost price is. I'm going to write what my selling price is. And for number 1, we are asked to find profit. So our profit. So if I read the question again, Jack bought a fan for $300. So that means my cost price is $300 and sold it for $350. My selling price, $350. And if I look in the notes, I'm going to see that profit is when the selling price is more than the cash price. So to determine the profit, I'm going to have to take away my cost price from my selling price. So profit is always selling price, take away cost price, and that is going to be $350, take away $300, which is $50. Number 2. Shanti bought a pen for $120 and sold it for $100. Calculate Shanti's loss. Same thing, number 2, I'm going to put my cost price, my selling price, and loss. So Shanti bought a pen for $120. So that means my cost price is $120 and sold it for $100. Selling price $100. Loss is always your cost price, take away your selling price. That is because a loss is the selling price. Loss is when the selling price is less than the cash price. So if the selling price is going to be less than the cash price, to find loss, you are going to have to say cost price, take away selling price. All this is supposed to have been done in primary school, so this should not be new to you all. Cost price here is $120, take away selling price, which is $100. You are going to get $20. Number 3. Mark bought an item for $550 and sold it to make $87 profit. How much did he sell it for? So this one is a bit different. I'm going to still write here my cash price, and my cash price is $550. My profit, this time they told me my profit, so I'm going to write profit is $87. And we are asked to find the selling price. Now, if I look at number 1 here, I will notice that in order to find my profit, I had to subtract selling price and cost price. So if I need to find my selling price, I'm going to have to add my cost price and my profit to find my selling price. So I'm going to write that here. Selling price is equal to cost price plus your profit. And that is going to be $550 plus your profit of $87. Plus 87 is going to give me 637. Number 4. By selling a refrigerator for $12,000, Diana made a $4,500 loss. Calculate the price at which the refrigerator was sold. So they are asking us to calculate the selling price. So I'm going to write cost price, selling price, and in this case it was a loss, so loss. So by selling a refrigerator for $12,000, so that is going to be my selling price, $12,000. Diana made a loss of $4,500. So my loss is $4,500. I need now to find my cost price. So if I look back at number 1 here, in order to find my profit, okay, so number 1 is profit. So let's look at number 2. Number 2 dealt with loss. Loss is equal to your cost price take away your selling price. I need to find cost price. So what I can do is I can take my loss and add it to my selling price, and that is going to give me my cost price. So you need to understand how to rearrange your formulas to find whatever is missing. So not all the time you are going to be asked to find profit or loss. Sometimes, like just like in number 4 here and number 3, they gave you what the profit or the loss was. So referring to number 2 where they told us loss is cost price take away selling price. To find my cost price, I can add my selling price to loss. So I'm going to write that here. Cost price equals loss plus your selling price, and that is going to be 4,500 plus 12,000, and that is going to be 16,500. $16,500. So to your notes, if you want, you can add these things here. Profit is found by saying selling price take away cash price. Loss is equal to your cost price take away your selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus your profit, and cost price equals your loss plus your selling price.